kasi po, no, we didn't have to fill out manually yung sales po. Kasi pagka-record po ng sales natin, for example dito po, no, pag tinotal po natin yung sales, kinukuha na po ng ating percentage tax po dito. We don't have to manually record kasi naka-integrate na yung ating transaction recording, our accounting reports, and our um, taxation reports. So this is one of the advantage sa Automate kasi you don't have to record the same transaction twice for different use kasi naka-integrate na po. We just have to filter whatever data you need para ma-file mo po yung proper uh, tax return mo po. So yun po yung ating filing ng ating percentage tax for non-VAT taxpayers. Of course po, marami rin pong mga other categories ng ating percentage tax, and maybe we can discuss it further in details, and we will try to create transactions specifically for each type of ano po, like for example sa banks. So yun po yung ating percentage tax. So I'll open to any question po. So yun po. Do you have any question po, Miss Eleanor and Miss um, and the rest po na nag-attend po ng meeting? Do you have any question po so far?
Yes,
Hello, sir. Ay, sorry po.
go
Sige
ahead,
po.
question po. Go ahead.
Sige po.
Ay,
Go po.
sir, yung pong Automate po, pag ginamit po siya, may payment po ba or free po siya?
You have to subscribe po.
Okay.
Opo. Yun po. You later po we will discuss yung pricing po ng subscription. Don't worry po. I think it's competitive and fair and affordable naman po yung pricing
Okay po.
for kwan po. Any other questions po? Free lang po ito to use. We do have free trial po, but however for a limited period of time lang po talaga. So I think in the future it mas better po na if we consider yung Automate, then we can actually subscribe po para mas maximize po natin yung features ng Automate. So yun po. So any other questions po? So ayun po, since it appears na wala pong questions, can I turn over to Miss Aisha to discuss on our pricing?
Hello! Thank you everyone. Sino pong nandito ngayon? Meron tayong how many attendees? Oh, dami pala. Okay, so yeah, so we have package for the non-VAT. So I will just ano na lang sa non-VAT natin kasi mga non-VAT company naman tayo lahat dito, right? Okay, so we have starter, which is very affordable at only retail price of 800 pesos per month. You can already add up to 5 users. Unlimited na yung invoices, single currency, accounts and schedules, payment gateway. Of course, the feature yung mga percentage tax, withholding tax, and income tax. And you get the 24/7 unlimited support. Okay? So, let us know if you wanted to take advantage of this offer, yung package na 800 pesos. Ito yung makasama niya. We will send you proposal after this. Okay? Questions so far? Any, how do you feel about this presentation po?
Hey guys, any feedback for the presentation so we
Any?
can, yeah. Go ahead, Aisha.
Yeah. Just same thing lang. Let us know what are your thoughts about the price. Do you find it reasonable dito sa Pilipinas? You might wanted to unmute yourself. Checking ko lang yung mga participants ha. So, meron tayo, let me call Ma'am Mary Milicor. Hi, Ma'am Mary. Can you unmute yourself? Ma'am Mary, are you there?
Yes po, hello po.
Hi. So, what is your feedback on the presentation and how do you feel about the pricing?
Malinaw naman po yung pagka-present, tsaka maganda po na automatic na po yung sa percentage tax. Nakikilala lang po ako sa bookkeeper, so nag-check pa lang po ako kung parang nag-attend pa lang po ako ng mga webinar. So, di ko pa po masyadong alam at mako-compare yung pricing niya.
Okay. Sige. Thank you po. What about Ma'am Eleanor Bautista? Hi, Ma'am Eleanor.
Hello,
Hi, ma'am.
ma'am.
Hi, what's your feedback po, Ma'am Eleanor, about this presentation and how do you feel about our 800 pesos price for the non-VAT?
So far po, maganda po yung system and user-friendly. And affordable po yung yung
Affordable. So
yung
yes, ma'am. So since you found it affordable and then okay naman yung feedback, so we can start processing your 800 pesos sa sa starter pack. I can call you back tomorrow. Are you good in that?
pwede
Ma'am
naman
Eleanor?
po. Pwede naman po.
Okay, so para ma-process na natin, tapos maka-start na kayo agad, set up na. Okay, perfect. So, yes, thank you, Ma'am Eleanor. What about Ma'am Benilda Gines? Hello, Ma'am Benilda. Ma'am Benilda, are you there? Okay, hello. Okay, I think na-unmute ka na. Sige po, Ma'am, what's your feedback and about the pricing then?
Actually, na-curious lang po ako kaya nag-join ako sa webinar kasi I don't know if I will also get clients for in the Philippines, and right now, client ko po is sa US, and when it comes naman sa product, I see yung okay yung pricing niya kasi parang discounted na siya since this is a cloud-based software, parang QuickBooks ganyan. So, yeah, okay din po. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge as well.
Oh, ma'am, I can see ma'am na bookkeeper accountant po kayo, ma'am, no?
Yes po.
Okay, ma'am. So, kahapon po kasi we've discussed yung ano po, no? More extensive po yung discussion natin sa accounting firms. So, dito kasi our
Okay.
focus on what can be the actual transactions po for non-VAT taxpayers. So, mas condensed po siya as compared kahapon. But anyway, ma'am, thank you for considering taking your time to attend this po.
Yes po.
Thank you, Ma'am Benilda. What about Ma'am Rebecca? Oh, I think naka-unmute na, naka-ready na siya. So, ano po yung feedback nyo about the presentation and what's your thought about our price? Hello, Ma'am Rebecca, are you there? Ma'am Rebecca, andito pa ba siya? Ito na lang, si Sir Philip lang muna. Sir Philip. Hi, Sir Philip, are you there? Can you unmute na lang? Okay, there you go. Feedback po at yung pricing, what do you think? Perfect. Are you ready to subscribe sa 800 pesos? We will assist you tomorrow. Okay. Sure, no
Sige
problem
po.
naman.
Thank
so,
you po.
Okay, thank you so much. So, marami kaming for Ma'am Eleanor, we will follow up tomorrow. We will schedule you a call back for us to process the starter pack for you and help you help you with the onboarding. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Meron ba kayong questions so far?
Kung walang question, thank you so much sa mga umaten. We have a series of webinar pa rin tomorrow. I think until Friday po.